Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can use Earnify. First, you will need to sign up or log in. You want to download the Earnify app from the Play Store or the App Store. You will open up the app and sign up with your email or phone number. If you already have an account, you will just log in. The second step will be setting up your preferences. You want to go to your profile or settings, and you will choose your location, interests, or the specific topics you want to earn from. Explore earning opportunities. You want to tap on the dashboard to see available tasks. You have things such as surveys, you can upload photos, you can try products, watch videos, or download apps. Complete tasks. You want to read instructions carefully, complete the task in the time given, and submit what's required, such as answers, screenshots, feedback, etc. You will then earn rewards. After completing the tasks, you will earn points or money. You want to check your wallet in the app to track your earnings. You can withdraw your earnings once you've reached the minimum payout. You can withdraw via methods like UPI, bank transfer, or wallet apps. Tips for earning more. You want to stay active daily, check for limited time offers, and refer friends for bonuses. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.